Hey everyone, welcome back to TPM Simplified, where we break down complex technical product management concepts into real simple terms. Today, we are talking about something every TPM eventually runs into: technical debt and how to manage it like a pro. What is technical debt? Imagine you are building a house. You run out of time, so instead of laying a proper foundation, you just throw some blocks together and hope it holds. It works for now, but later the walls start cracking, and fixing it, now it's a much bigger job. That's technical debt in software. It's the cost of taking a shortcut now instead of doing things the right way. And that cost shows up later when it slows down the team or causes bugs. You might be thinking, I'm not writing code. Why should I care? You should care because if you ignore technical debt, features take longer to deliver. Your product becomes unstable. Developers burn out trying to fix recurring problems. And business users start asking, what's taking so long? As a TPM, you're the bridge between business and engineering. We need to understand tech debt, track it, and advocate for it to be addressed. Here's how you can start spotting it. 1. Listen to developers. When they say this part of the code is messy, or we hacked this together, that's a red flag. In fact, that's a red billboard. Number 2, check bugs and support tickets. If you're having repeated or recurring issues, there is something to watch out for. Number 3, look for outdated tools or versions. If you're using an outdated tool or a version, they are risky. Number 4, pay attention to long delivery times. These are often a symptom. You can also keep a simple log, even a Google Sheet called Tech Debt Tracker. This would help you spot technical debts and also start working on it. Okay, now what do you do with all of that? Here's your action plan. Number 1, log it. Don't let your developers forget. Number 2, prioritize it. Treat it like a real backlog item because it is. Number 3, schedule cleanup time, maybe every 2 to 3 sprints. Number 4, advocate for it in planning. Explain to non-tech folks how this helps long term. You might say, fixing this now will save us 3 times the time later when we try to build on top of it. One more thing, not all technical debt is bad. Sometimes you take on debt intentionally to hit a deadline. That's okay if it's planned and documented. The danger is when you ignore it. So to wrap up, tech debt is part of building products. And as a technical product manager, your job is to track it, communicate the risk, and make space to clean it up. Don't let it sneak up and slow you down. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Also, drop a comment. How does your team handle technical debt? See you in the next one. Bye for now.